Hello and welcome to question 1, part A of this WJEC 2019 summer paper for higher tier Unit 1 non-calculator for GCSE maths. Question 1, part A, express 315 as a product of its prime factors in index form. So 315, we can see it ends in a 5, so it must be divisible by 5. So we can do a shorthand division by 5. 5s into 3 obviously don't go. 5s into 31 goes 6 times, because 6 times 5 is 30, leaving 1 left over. 5s into 15 go 3 times. So 63 times 5 is 315. So we can give ourselves a factor tree here. 5, 63. 63, we can see that 63 ends in a 3, so it must be divisible by 3. And also add 6 and 3 together, that equals 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so that's a handy way to know if something is divisible by 3. So 3, and 3 times what will give 63? Well, 3 times 20 will be 60, so 3 times 21 will be 63. 21, we know 3 times 7 is 21. 5 is a prime number because it's only divisible by itself and 1. 3 is a prime number for the same reason. 3 is obviously here again, and 7 only divisible by itself and 1, so 7 is a prime number. So our prime factors of 315 are 5 times 3 times 3 times 7 equals 315. However, we've been asked to give our answer in index form, so that is 5 times by 3 squared, since 3 times 3 is 3 squared, times 7 equals 315. There's our answer. Question 1, part B. What is the highest common factor of 315 and 42? Well, the highest common factor is the biggest number that appears as a factor in both 315 and 42. So what does that mean? Well, all these numbers here for 315 are factors of 315, and we can do the same for 42, and the number that appears in both of these factor trees will be the highest common factor for 315 and 42. So let's do this for 42. Let's create a factor tree for 42. 42 ends in an even number, so it must be divisible by 2. 2 times 21 gives us 42. And 21 we did earlier. We know the prime factors are 3 and 7. So the prime factors of 42 are 2 times 3 times 7. And the prime factors of 315 are 5 times 3 times 3 times 7. And we're looking for the biggest number that we can make out of each of these prime factors. So 3 times 7 is common in both. There's nothing else that's common. There's only a 2 here, there's no 2 here. There's a 3 here, but there's not another 3 here. So 3 times 7 is common in both. 3 times 7 we know is 21. So 21 is the highest common factor of 315 and 42. Obviously there are other common factors. 3 is a common factor and 7 is a common factor. However, 21 is also a common factor since 3 times 7 is 21. Obviously, an alternative way to show this would be that 2 times 21 is 42, and 5 times 3 times 21 is 315. I hope that helps for this question. If there's anything else, please just leave a comment down below. If it's really not clear, I'll consider remaking the video. But if that's helped, please leave a like. Thank you very much for watching, and keep up the hard work.